What's the secret behind Norway's cashless society? How did they manage to ditch cash so quickly and so seamlessly? Imagine a country where you can pay for your groceries, coffee, and even your public transportation with just a tap of your phone. No more fumbling for coins or bills. No more long queues at ATMs. It's a cashless utopia, and Norway is leading the way. But how did they do it? What organization played a pivotal role in this digital transformation? The answer lies in a Norwegian fintech company called Vipps. Vipps is more than just a payment app, it's a cultural phenomenon that has revolutionized the way Norwegians interact with money. Founded in 2015 as a joint venture between DNB, Norway's largest bank, and a group of other financial institutions, Vipps quickly gained traction among consumers. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with its secure payment technology, made it a popular choice for both individuals and businesses. One of the key factors behind Vipps' success was its ability to integrate seamlessly with other Norwegian financial institutions. This meant that users could link their bank accounts to Vipps and transfer money instantly, without incurring any fees. Vipps also partnered with a wide range of merchants, from small local businesses to large corporations. This made it easy for consumers to use Vipps for all their everyday purchases. But Vipps is more than just a payment app. It's also a platform for social interactions and community engagement. Users can send money to friends and family, split bills, and even donate to charities. Vipps' popularity has had a significant impact on the Norwegian economy. It has helped to reduce the cost of transactions, increased financial inclusion, and boosted economic growth. So, how did Vipps manage to achieve such remarkable success? The answer lies in a combination of factors. First, Vipps was able to capitalize on the growing trend towards digital payments. Second, it offered a convenient and secure solution for consumers. Third, it was supported by a strong network of financial institutions and merchants. Vipps is a shining example of how technology can be used to improve people's lives. By providing a simple, efficient, and secure payment solution, Vipps has helped to create a more cashless and connected society. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.